Hey everyone. Welcome to another video. Enjoy. People have no concerns with other people's lives anymore. It's okay, they were indicating.
So I'm trying to think, would that be $3,200 or that was $6,000? You're an idiot. You're a full idiot. Shit. No, 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 no. I got all of that on my dash cam. You knew I knew that was.
Tries to show off, loses control, and gets real lucky.
Very much, absolutely fantastic. Just before I found out, we're looking forward to having this and I think it's going to be bigger, it's going to be better, it's going to be more exciting. We want more people to engage in all of this.
I braked to avoid that bike ramming into my headlamp, then the rear happened.
And I think it's going to be bigger, it's going to be better, it's going to be more exciting. We want more people to engage in all of this and different topics.
Don't make a right turn from the far left lane.
What the fuck are you doing?
She failed to yield, called me a psychopath.
In your car and started driving without looking around your surroundings. Stop honking at me, asshole.
Fucking psycho.
You're the idiot.
Let me just turn directly into oncoming traffic and freeze. Almost got taken out by this bellend.
Christ.
Got cut off on a 55-mile-per-hour road. Cop conveniently saw it happen and pulled him over. Someone has a death wish.
Is the editor of Alberta Oil Magazine, and he joins me in our Calgary studio. Good morning.
Good morning.
My 13-year-old car was worth so little that it was unfortunately a write-off. Fergus, Ontario.
Popular, they did with Billy Ray Cyrus. He's that guy. Old Town Road. Old Town Road. Well, I like that song. I never liked it. It was popular, and then after that got popular, he came out as gay. Yeah, and it was great.
I lost the chicken game. Guy wasn't even phased.
Well, he had a crazy thing with Kev too.
Really?
Where they you know, the barbershop, where they do.
The highway is my stop. Out of the blue. Wrong way driver on 836 Miami.
No way. No way.
Don't drive too close to the car in front. You never know when they need to brake. Ever seen 20 people blow a red light at once?
On the sidewalk, and you, for a moment, realized how simple that is.
Looks, someone doesn't really like his mirrors.
It's beautiful. Think of the moment.
/ Trivia Friday t-shirt. They're great, durable t-shirt.
Hey, what the fuck you doing, asshole?
From Rick's D's, North best destination.
Idiot truck driver.
So switching to Geico is a good decision, unlike the decision to improvise your best man speak.
Crazy drunk driver. When I saw this car entering, the big wheels and tinted windows, I let off the gas cause I fully expected them to do this.
You know, I like hold it, it goes straight to 100.
Yeah, well, if you hold it for too long, it'll
Oh my
keep
god.
climbing.
Dude. Oh.
Yeah, well, if you hold it for too long,
Caught one. I hope they don't always drive like this.
Holy.
The black car was honking at me as if I did something wrong. He is going in the wrong direction. Lynn, Massachusetts.
Continue straight onto South 180th Street, Southwest 43rd Street.
Oh.
1 mile.
Oh.
Idiot came 2 to 3 feet into my lane on a 40-mile-per-hour road.
A black one and get the skin for it.
But that's lame.
I mean, I'm not saying get a color skin.
I honestly have no idea why he took his sweet time turning left.
Was he serious?
I don't have time for roadworks. No idea how there wasn't a crash in front of me.
Sometimes, yeah. Oh, yeah. I think it's probably
Bad driver in Florida almost causes accident.
over there, and low is gonna be like 39, 40. Oh, jeez. So that's not cool, you know.
It's cloudier too.
Oh yeah.
Like mid-30s sometimes.
Sometimes, yeah. Oh yeah. I think it's probably tomorrow where it's gonna, like, the high is gonna be 65 over there, and low is gonna be like 39, 40.
Oh, jeez.
So that's not cool, you know.
It's cloudier too.
Oh yeah.
I was nearly the idiot today.
Dan was tired of it. Yeah, go. Whoa! Whoa! God damn!
BMW driver blew the light and I almost T-boned him.
If that says anything.
Exiting the interstate at 300C decided to wait until the last second, crossing across solid lines and nearly colliding with us. Out of my way, I'm passing.
Oh my God!
Interesting what the truck did. This happens multiple times a week at this traffic circle. No one knows how to enter one. Lazy driving saving me from an accident. Some people definitely don't read the sign, West Hartford, CT. Gentleman hits my parked vehicle.
She could have done way more damage.
Oh, really?
I kind of wish I saw this. What are you talking about, Lisa? You saw her. She was like a tiger that was unchained. I don't know. She smelled blood.
On my drive back home, trash cans flew into the road.
Honestly.
Merging lane was wide open.
Yeah, he's now expected to come home tomorrow.
Gotcha. Maybe quit.
Oh my gosh.
What?
Is that guy okay?
He didn't get hit, yeah.
Okay.
Motorcyclist narrowly avoids being hit by car.
What?
Is that guy okay?
Dus niet Nieuwegein Zuid, maar nog een afrit ervoor. Dus ze zijn onderweg, ze moeten nog even een eindje terug.
Zo, bam!
Guy going plus 5 miles per hour on Dutch highway ended. Regular Atlanta traffic. Almost hit by bad driver on Interstate 4. Look left? Nah, that would take effort. When you need show the only other car on the road, it's your exit. This driver wasn't going to let a blind bend slow him down. He missed me by centimeters. I don't even know what to say. I'm starting to feel like I drive the invisible boat mobile in this town. Pretty bold merging, must say. Idiot in car hits cyclist that was delivering food. Why rent a truck when I have a convertible? Always have your guard up when going next to a slowed down lane.